Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds A and E. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the A sound in the word gate, gate, gate. Now the E sound in the word get, get, get. Now I will use them both in a sentence. Did you get a new gate? Did you get a new gate? Did you get a new gate? Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!